Hey YouTube, quick video here. I'm cleaning out the gas tank of a 2008 Suzuki C50 Boulevard. And I let it sit too long. Of course, I didn't follow the proper procedures, and now it's all gummed up. Well, tank's soaking. This is a fuel pump I just cleaned out. You should have saw it. It was bad. The video I'm making right now is to show you how bad ethanol fuel is on parts, rubber parts. That's fuel pickup. Look at that, peeling right off. You don't think ethanol destroys rubber? Right there. Completely destroyed. That is not acceptable. And on these wires, there are little round, swirly type, I guess, insulators. They're completely gone. That's what's left of them right there. The gas and the ethanol just destroyed it. And this is an internal tank. So whatever vehicle you drive, a motorcycle or a car, and it's got a fuel pickup in it and rubber tube, yeah, it's gone, I'm sure. And these wires probably won't last much longer either. I have no way of knowing how to fix that, keep it from going bad. This is just FYI. Good luck.